Alright, what is going on YouTube? Tom here, about to head out to Cars and Coffee. Told y'all I have a little special guest here.
Morning.
Yeah, she's not much of a morning person. Second time we've had to film this, and yeah, not much of a morning person, but we got our Starbucks. Of course, this event's around the corner from here. She's been begging me to take her to Cars and Coffee for a while, but the problem is she works Saturdays. And up till now, I worked Saturdays, so it never really worked out when we'd ever get a weekend off. So, I'm gonna take her over to one, and let's hope people actually show up. It's a little bit on the cold side this morning. Didn't you say?
A little breezy. It's not
A
bad.
little breezy. Nah, it's not too bad. It's like mid-50s. That's cold for us. Oh well. We got our Starbucks, so we're gonna head on over. I'll see you all when we get there. Right, looks like everyone's already starting to head out. Feels like we just got here, but we've been talking with some people. Hopefully some late people will show up. Corvette ZR1. So you like this wing or no?
Not really. It looks weird.
Looks weird.
I don't like it. I think it makes it
It looks good.
I'm sorry.
Okay, I wouldn't get it. Yeah, you'll be fine. 755 horsepower. See, I told you they got a little late people coming in.
Oh, look, it's another Mustang.
I told you Mustangs always show up to these. And we got this 32 Ford, which, as I've been informed, is still Ford powered. What's your thoughts on the 32 Ford here?
I like it. It's a nice car.
You like that one? So at some point, as some of y'all know, it's sort of my bucket list is I want to get a classic car. So what's your, so you would ride in this, wouldn't you?
Oh yeah, it's really cool.
Would. See, supercharged Mustang. So there you go. It's just for you. Powered by Ford.
That's my last name.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah, I'm proud of it.
So you're proud of that?
Yeah.
So yeah, we got this Galaxy over in the distance we're gonna go check out in a minute. And it's Chevy powered, so this guy was talking about it like, man, it would be so much better if it was Ford powered. I agree with you, don't worry. Because I got a Mustang myself that's Ford powered.
When they crossbreed them, that's when they ruin them.
You heard it here first, folks.
What is this on
YouTube.
YouTube?
YouTube. Yeah, you heard it here first. Take it from him. That's why you should keep Fords Ford powered.
Keep Chevy powered. Keep Dodge powered.
There we go.
Keep it in the family.
There we go. That's a first. All right, you have a good day, man. Good.
Yeah, I think it's really cool.
Have we found her dream car?
I still like the Galaxy.
Still like the Galaxy? We definitely gonna have to put the Galaxy in this one. See, it's an automatic, so she can drive it. One of these days, I will teach her how to drive stick, and I'm not gonna do the teaching my girlfriend how to drive stick stereotypical clickbait video.
Oh God, please don't. I'll have a heart attack.
No, I would not. I would not do one of those. I hate those so much. They all go the same. It's like, okay, babe, just let out on it. Yeah, I stalled it. Oh, no, you're doing good. And then it's like, do they actually ever learn? Yeah, they never actually learn. It's like it's just crap of guy with his girlfriend.
And then they go to Starbucks.
Now, well, yeah, sometimes it includes Starbucks. I know we're Starbucks fans. We're basic. Got this green LT1 Camaro.
I like the color.
I like the
Green.
color. I never struck you as a green fan. I guess it's,
Unless you don't know everything about me.
yeah.
No, I want this one though.
You
I
want
like
this one.
This one is really cool, and I like the interior because it's old school.
Old
That's
school.
cool.
No, I know. It's got the old school kind of drag racing interior.
This would totally be a car I would save up for.
Would you? Oh, now getting into the guy's car. As we were saying, this one is, in fact, Chevy powered. What do you guys think? Galaxy like this, Galaxy 500 Resto Mod with a Coyote instead of a Chevy motor. And the only other thing I think this car really truly needs, it needs disc brakes, because you gotta be able to stop. That's the only problem with such an old, heavy car, it needs disc brakes. Then we got this Ferrari over here. It's cold out for you. See, one plus side of a Ferrari, it doesn't matter what Ferrari it is, everyone loves it. Everyone knows it's a Ferrari. Everybody assumes you're rich. In fact, I found out, I was talking the other day with a Lamborghini owner, and he said just how rude of a question it is when people come up to you, because it's constant. People always come up to him and say, what do you do for a living? This one, 57 Chevy sedan, two-door sedan. This was when the fins were still good. This was it's got the fuzzy dice. I hope you all can see that on camera. Classic 57 look.
I like the back.
Like the back? Mm-hmm. Yeah, these fins, that's like the famous design.
That's nice.
If I'm not mistaken, one of these sides, I think it's this side, a little piece comes out for the gas cap. As usual, someone who knows about that can correct me on that. People always seem to know more than me. Oh, hello. People honking in traffic. And then we got this Ford truck over here. Nice yellow. This guy, it's a drag pack. There's Bradenton Motorsports Park hat on, so clearly he's taking it down the drag strip. He's taking something down. Pretty nice looking truck. Nice resto mod. Got the wood bed floor. That's just something that would be cool if they did again. Side pipes, some weld wheels. Weld is like the be-all end-all in drag racing wheels. Classic looking design. That's pretty amazing looking. We got this other Ford over here. A lot of nice classic trucks out. Do you? I know you like trucks. You've always liked my Tacoma. I mean, it's nowhere near this level. 390 swapped F1. That's one of the only problems I can think of with an old truck like this, that there's just not a lot of space in them.
Yeah, it is kind of tight.
I mean, this is supposed to be a full-size truck if it's day. Love it's the patina bed floor, a little more original looking. You see all these trucks with these restored beds that stained and everything. It looks really nice. Well, this is what in actuality they looked like. They were never meant to look nice. It was just that they had steel shortages after World War II, and wood was cheaper than making an entire steel bed. But I still think that's cool. I guess this is someone's work in progress right here.
And then Andre, the guy with the red striped shirt on over there.
Work in progress. I mean, it's got the transmission. It's part of the way there.
You're actually driving that?
I mean, no, there's no
Okay.
engine, so
So it just sits here then?
it just sits. I mean, it's probably either a customer's car or shop car or something. They're probably working on it. Another Corvette. I mean, that's what they're known for, is the sleekness. This one, someone correct me if I'm wrong. Maybe the owner's around here. He'll correct me in a minute if he's here. Indy Pace Car Edition, I believe, from this generation. Z06. Exactly. I mean, I like curves. I like my cars like I like my women. Nice little curve to them. Hey, she said it, not me. Crack yourself up. Let's see what we got under the hood here. Personally, this is like my favorite car from this era, because early 2000s cars were starting to get a little bland, a little shapeless. That's when they started to get sort of, that's when the kind of the early era of all cars looking the same. So this car truly looks unique. Of course, the C5, as everyone knows, that's the last era of pop-up headlights. Definitely gonna have to get a picture of it. Classic Dodge Coronet. I don't know much about classic Dodges. The white oil tires. Still a nice looking car. I just don't know anything about it. That's my only problem with certain classics. I know about 60s onward. The paint looks fairly original. I don't know how well the camera's gonna pick all that up with patina. It's nice looking. I think it's definitely gonna be worth a nice picture. There you go. Now you'll get to hear the cam sound. That's one thing a Chevy small block has that nothing else can really top, is that cam sound when it's got a nice cam in it. I hope y'all can hear that from here. Get that on video real quick. You have a good day, man. I had to get that on video. That sounds amazing. I might be a Ford guy, but there is something you cannot argue about when it comes to that Chevy cam lope sound. And that, especially on the classics, it's just so much better than all the new cars. You just can't beat that. Sorry, Ford. You're not going to beat that one. Yeah, I think we've pretty much seen everything here. It's a nice little show. It's not like it's the biggest one here, but overall, still a pretty nice event. Got to meet some cool people. Yeah, unfortunately, she's gonna have to get a Saturday off. That's actually when one of the bigger shows fall, because those are always more exciting. But either way, would you say you enjoyed it?
Yes, it was actually pretty fun.
Found your dream car, or many dream cars, plural?
Yeah, pretty much.
All right, you get to have one car that you've seen today. What it's gonna be?
I don't know. I can't make up my mind.
You're like me?
Yeah.
I mean, did you say the Galaxy then?
Yes, I would say that's my favorite.
She's classic Galaxy girl now. So I definitely think that's something to consider now if I eventually do get a classic. But anyway, let me know in the comments section below what you think about this show. Let me know what your favorite car here was, because I think both of our votes are going to have to go towards the Galaxy. Anyway, if you like this video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up. If you're stopping in for the first time, go ahead and subscribe, because hopefully I will be able to bring her out eventually to another event. Hopefully one where there's more than just a handful of cars. But a good little event, good little excuse to get up. We're going to go and get breakfast now. There's a Bob Evans down the street. Guess whose favorite restaurant in the whole world is Bob Evans? So, it's one of your favorites. But yes, that's our plan for the rest of the day. But anyway, take care, have a good day.